Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting out with my eyes already prepped and my eyebrows already done. I think I'm going to aim for some sort of a blue, half cut, gold, maybe some glitter. I haven't really decided, so let's just jump right in. To prime my face and just avoiding my eyebrow area, I'm gonna go in with Clarins SOS Primer in the shade 4 Green. So I've already primed my eyelids with Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I'm gonna start off in ColourPop's My Little Pony palette. And I'm going to pick up this light blue shimmery color and put it above my crease and blend up towards my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna go into Urban Decay's Electric palette and pick up the color Fringe, just to darken up that crease area. I want to deepen that a little bit more, so I'm going to stick in the same palette and pick up the color Chaos. I'm going to take that same blue shadow and really pack it on the outer third corner of the lid. And then just make sure those colors are all blended really well together. Then I'm going to take NYX's Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer to cut out half of my crease. Okay, before that concealer fully dries, I'm going to take NYX's Ultimate Edit palette and pick up this shimmery yellow color and pack it on the first half of the lid. Then I'm going to pick up that Fringe color again and use it as a transition between the yellow and the dark blue. Then just to shake things up, I'm going to take Slow Burn, which is this really vibrant orange color, and run that along the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to take Lee Swatchier's Feline eyeliner in the shade Matte Black and do big dramatic wings. Okay, I think that winged liner kind of saved the look. It was looking a little bit crazy there for a second. So now I'm just gonna pop on some Ardell lashes off camera. Okay, to blend my lashes into the false lashes as well as apply some on the bottom lashes, I'm going to take Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm just going to take a cotton round with a little bit of makeup remover and wipe away any fallout. For foundation, I'm going to go in with Lancome's Tight Idol Ultra Wear in the shade 210. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the same Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Alabaster. Then I'm just going to take NYX's Wonder Stick in the shade Universal to contour my face. And I'm going to set my face with Maybelline's Fit Me powder in the shade 110. I'm going to bronze up a little bit more with my favorite bronzer, Hoola by Benefit. For blush, I'm going to go into Lise Wachier's Havana Trio blush and pick up this slightly orange blush. For highlighter, I'm going to take Pretty Vulgar's highlighter called Shimmering Swan. For lipstick, I'm going to take Bite Cosmetics in the shade Honeycomb. To set my makeup, I'm going to use Physicians Formula's Instant Ready Setting Spray. That is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. It was a little rocky at first, but I'm really getting like tropical bird vibes from it. So I think it's kind of a fun look. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.